Dang, this looks like a gun, dog. Anyways, this is an ignition control. Well, this is the ignition coils. It comes in a 3-pack. It's a coil pack. So we're reading random multiple cylinder misfire and then cylinder 4 misfire. So that's going to tell you it's on the driver's side bank. Okay. So check the firing order if you're not sure. We already replaced the plugs. I had about 3 different kinds of plugs in there, and then it still came out with the same codes. So we are going to replace this coil pack here, and it should take care of everything there. This quick tip brought to you by Autotech 210 and Best Fleet Service. Basically, you got to remove that power steering reservoir. It's like 2 10mm bolts. Once you get that out of the way, you should have room for that coil. It should be really easy to repair or replace. So, if you need some help or help diagnosing a vehicle, this is a Cadillac CTS. We're here at Best Fleet Service in the back of the building. This tip brought to you by Autotech 210. Y'all have a wonderful day.